complete new world. So I thought, what fun! Maybe I'll come here to do like a summer job and then go back to Delhi and then do my.
Yeah.
I had finished writing my dissertation also in Habib Tanveer and Indian Street Theatre. So I thought, okay, I'll do my further studies. But once I came here, I fell in love with acting, the camera, and I felt very passionate about it. I'd be tired and I'd fall sick because the hours were very, very long. But not even for a day. I'd wake up in the morning and be like, I don't want to go to work.
You mentioned about coming from a very academically inclined family. So, उनका कैसा reaction था? Were they okay with you?
They weren't very happy initially. I think mom and dad, because I was good in studies, so they thought I was going to do something big like that, like whatever.
मतलब IAS officer चाहते थे वो आप बने. So, yeah.
One guy actress. So I think he was a little upset for about 2.5 months, but my father's also been very, very supportive of what I do, and like your parents love you, right?
Yeah.
So then after 2.5 months, they made peace with the fact that maybe I'm not moving back.
And what a
Delhi.
debut. मतलब आप, I think you started off with क्योंकि
क्योंकि.
सास भी कभी बहू थी.
Yes.
I remember waiting for 10:30 p.m. when that show used to come.
I have to mention this, that my association with Ekta ma'am, like I absolutely love her, adore her, respect her, and she has given so many people like me who come from nowhere. We only have our talent backing us, whether it's acting or whether it's dancing, and nothing else.
Yeah.
And the TV industry is so big, and she's given opportunity to so many people. So I am forever grateful.
Was it difficult to get the next show after क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी?
Of course, it's always difficult to get the next, because I feel like you're as big as your show and you're as good as the character that you play, and to land that next role becomes very, very even more difficult when you don't really have like too many connections, don't really know a lot of people. But thankfully, God, I don't know, God has been very, very kind. If I wasn't doing anything in the fiction space, I was always doing a non-fiction. So right after Kyuki, I did this singing reality show called Shaba Shaba.
Oh yeah.
Then did another show. Then Mahadev happened. Then after that, I did Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Zara Nach Ke Dikha. So I was always doing something or the other. If I was not shooting for fiction, I was doing something in the non-fiction space. So I cannot complain. God has. Has it been a roller coaster ride? Yes. Have I had my fair share of frustrations or the feelings that I can do more, and like Nagin has, Nagin has literally taken me 7 years after being in the television industry for me to land Nagin.
TV actors के लिए to break through and make it big in the film industry has always been a challenge. But you've sort of paved your way through it. Was that a conscious decision that you want to get into films? Did it happen just like Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi happened, somebody tapping your shoulder?
It happened like that, but yes, I wanted to do films, and over the period of me being in television for 9 years, I have auditioned, and I got shortlisted, and somehow it used to not happen.